guys, this is your girl Prisha. I make vlogs and beauty related content here on YouTube, and if that is something that interests you, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon right next to it so that you stay notified every time I upload a new video. For today's video, I created this super glam and easy Christmas look. So if you're interested to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. So we're gonna begin by toning our skin, and for today I'm gonna use the Jove's Cucumber Skin Toner. I'm gonna spritz a generous amount of it because it's gonna hydrate my skin well. So till the time the toner is seeping into the skin, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lip balm, and for today I'm using the Lakme Lip Love in the cherry variant. For moisturizer, I'm gonna use the Pond's Super Light Gel. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Bioderma Pore Refiner. Now what this is gonna do is that it's gonna help with minimizing the pores, like appearance of pores. I'm just gonna apply this on my T-zone and let it sit for a while. Until then, we'll do our eyes. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows, and for that I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. All the products with their shade names along with their links will be there in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. I'm gonna prime my eyelids and clean up my eyebrows using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I'm gonna blend it all using my beauty blender. I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution Iconic Reloaded palette. I'm gonna take this shade, which is very close to my skin tone, just to set my concealer in place. So I just went ahead and applied some tape. It's just gonna make our life so much more easier. I'm gonna take this light brown shade on my PAC 113 brush. I'm just gonna use this shade as a transition shade. So you just want to apply it first on your outer corner and then take it in circular motions to your inner corner, just like this. Then I'm going to take this dark brown chocolatey color on my PAC 260 brush, and I'm just going to first apply it on my outer corner because I want the outer corner to be deeper, and then blending it inside very softly. Then I'm gonna take this skin color that we first used on the PAC 113 brush, just a little bit of it, and then apply it here below my brow bone because it's just gonna help in blending it all out and making it look like a gradient. Next, I'm taking the Swiss Beauty Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade 04 Smoky Storm. I'm gonna apply it directly all over my lid, starting from the centers right here into my inner corner. Then I'm gonna quickly take a blending brush and blend the edges before it sets down. Then I'm gonna mix this and this color together, and I'm just gonna apply it on the outer corners for blending purposes to blend this shimmer that we just used, just like that. Then I'm gonna take the Lakme Iconic Eyeliner. So as you can see, I did a very classic thick eyeliner. Our eyes are very simple and yet glamorous, but I wanted to add a nice thick eyeliner as a classy Christmas look. So to begin with the base, I'm gonna start by applying the primer. This one is the NYX Photo Loving Primer. I'm just gonna take a little bit of it, massage it between my fingers, and apply it on my nose and then my cheeks, my forehead, and with whatever's left on my hands. I'm just gonna take it all over my face. For foundation, I'm gonna take the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. I'm just gonna apply it evenly on my face using a foundation brush first, and then I will blend it with my beauty blender. Then I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Conceal, just a little bit under my eyes, around my mouth because this is where I have pigmentation, and a little bit on the scars. Then I'm gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is to highlight my face. I'm just gonna apply a little bit on my inner corner, a little bit here. This is gonna highlight and uplift the face, carve out my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and a little bit on the chin. I'm gonna set it all using my Fit Me Loose Powder. I'm gonna take this dark green color from the James Charles Morphe palette. I'm taking it on a Vega lip brush. It is a lip brush, but because of its precision, I like to use it on my lower lash line. I'm just gonna smoke this color out in my lower lash line. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and line my waterline and my upper lash line using the Lakme Iconic Kajal. So as you can see, I have taken the kajal a little bit more down than my actual waterline because I'm just gonna smudge the black with the green to give a nice gradient and blended effect. So I'm taking the same brush that we used for the green and I'm just lightly blending it out. To bronze my face, as usual, I'm going to use the Palladio Beauty Matte Bronzer. For blush, I'm going to use the Nykaa Blush Duo in the shade Malibu Barbie. I'm only going to use the red shade from it. Next, I'm going to go ahead with the highlighter, and for highlighter, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Rose Gold. I'm going to use the same highlighter to highlight the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, my inner corners, and my brow bone. Also my Cupid's bow. Then I'm going to set my face using the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Makeup Fixer. For today, I'm not in a mood to apply falsies, so we can apply loads and loads of mascara. And for mascara, I'm going to use the Lakme Iconic Mascara. For lipstick, I'm going to apply the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Boss. Alright you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!